Good morning, everybody. Clayton Biker Cowboy here at Cowboy Garage. Sorry we haven't shot an episode in a while. We're out here today. Mario came over. He's down here swapping out some spokes. Get this thing old school looking, get rid of these mags. Last Monday he came over and did his bars. Super proud of this dude, just digging into shit he's never done. We're learning together, so this bike's looking cool. We lowered the back end, got the Burly Slammer Shocks on it here. It's kind of hard, this lighting's weird. It's supposed to start raining in a little bit today. So it's looking good. Got it lowered, gonna get these spokes tightened on here. Got these badass Harley Davidson chiseled apes. Came out real nice. Chubb's still torn apart. Haven't made any more progress on the race bike. I did get my new tail section. I don't remember if I showed you all that last time. So I now have a tail section, some assembly required. It's definitely not a direct fit, not that it was supposed to be, but get that fitted on there. Should be able to clean up some more of the frame, take some more weight out. Gonna change out the battery, got rid of the old battery, sold it to my buddy. And we're going to do a lithium ion battery, one of the new Harley ones. That should drop 10 or 12 pounds out of this thing. Hopefully I can cut another 4 or 5 out of it. Still got the chain drive conversion sitting over here ready to go. So that's cool. Weather's finally broke here in Portland. It's been nasty. But went out and did some riding yesterday. It was beautiful. Yeah, so it's been great. I want to thank Bo. Can't remember if I thanked you last time. Got some new headgear. Got this hat. You'll see the other one on the next episode. Thank you, Cheesy Chopper Tees. My homie over there is hooking me up, and he's going to print me some t-shirts here real shortly. He's got my screen ready to go. I'm all stoked on that. So yeah, we're just chilling in Biker Cowboy Garage, like I said. Super cool to kind of see people work on their own stuff. That's what it's all about. So we're just hanging out, doing what we do. What else is new? I guess that's pretty much it for today. We'll be back at you. I'm going to start doing some more work now that the weather's nice and it's warm out here in the garage. We'll get Chubbs back together. I'm going to put the kickstand back on it, headlight, tail light, and kind of make it street legal so we can go out and ride it to some bike nights and put a few miles on it. Yeah, so I'm stoked. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day. Push yourself, learn something new this week, and we'll be back here in Biker Cowboy Garage next week.